Hyeri candidly confessed to experiencing severe burnout, revealing her emotional state during a personality assessment. On January 9, a video titled "Drive. Lee Gwang-min hit the nail on the head. I tried the actual test used at Isaac Camp" was uploaded to Hyeri's YouTube channel. To mark the start of the new year, Hyeri underwent a personality and temperament assessment with psychiatrist Lee Gwang-min. Summarizing her personality as Jeonsang Chena Yua Dokjan, loosely meaning someone who ultimately relies only on themselves, drive. Lee explained, "It doesn't mean thinking you're better than others. It means that, at a fundamental level, the person you trust and depend on most is yourself. You live your life based on your own beliefs. In a way, it's a bit heartbreaking." Moved by the analysis, Hyeri became visibly emotional and said through tears, "I was wondering why I was crying during this test, but now I understand." She then opened up about the changes she has been feeling recently. "I can really feel how much lazier I've become. I used to be very neat and organized, but now I can't even clean. I know I'm busy, but even when I have time, I just don't have the energy. I don't have the emotional or physical capacity anymore." Dr. Lee noted that she seemed to lack dedicated time for rest and self-care. "Still, there are two things that help you endure," he said. "One is achievement, and the other is support from people." Hearing this, Hyeri broke down in tears once again. Hyeri went on to reflect on her non-stop schedule over the past few years. "When results weren't good, I used to take months off. But for the past 1 to 2 years, I've barely been able to rest at all," she shared. "What's amazing is that I was able to endure because fans continue to love and support me. That became my driving force." She added, "Even during fan meetings, I'm physically so exhausted. I honestly feel like I could collapse. But mentally, I'm okay, and because fans give me so much love, I find new energy again. That's why I keep going." Hyeri expressed deep gratitude toward her fans for sustaining her during difficult times. Meanwhile, Dr. Lee expressed concern about her condition, saying, "What worries me most is that your energy is severely depleted. You're in constant tension mode. Your battery is only about half full." See also, Hyeri shares special year-end memories with fans at final Wuhan fan meeting.